HR Technologies Conference is a brilliant opportunity to learn, to listen to the speakers, and also go around all these amazing stands.
There's so many people here and there's so much going on that it's nice to just make the initial connection that we can follow up on later.
But anyone that is considering this event, they should do it.
Everyone's been very friendly, very engaging. There's a good opportunity to have some real quality conversation with individuals and do some good networking.
Good atmosphere, loads of content, really interesting people.
Staying updated is very important.
I thought it was amazing. Yeah, I would fully intend to come back again, absolutely.
Overall, it's just no pressure. You can talk to people or you can move on. I'm really enjoying it.
And gives an opportunity for things like roundtables or workshops. It allows HR professionals and companies that work in the HR tech space to come together.
Great event for us to be part of. Brings all the HR tech vendors together.
We wanted to really find out how some of those technologies are changing, and I think this conference is a real opportunity to do that.
A really big collection of lots of different companies in one. I think you can maximize the return on your investment coming here.
HR Technologies is just that one-stop shop. Absolutely don't miss it.